Heather Broadbent here, instructor and guide at Online Violin Education, where I train violinists all over the world how to improve their technical skill sets for more melodic playing. I'm so excited you're here at day 5. Winner are you. That is so awesome. So, day 5 is all about shifting. Now, in the last video, at the very end, I asked the question because I thought you guys would probably be asking me the question, why did we wait until day 5 to learn how to shift to and from third? And I'm going to tell you right now. So, I love to travel and I love learning about different cultures. What does this have to do with shifting? Well, when you're learning a position, it's basically you're getting comfy cozy within that position, no matter what position it is. For us in this challenge, it's third position. But whenever you learn any position or study in any position, you want to get comfy cozy in there. And this is like going to some place that's new when you first learn it. And when you go somewhere that's new, say you're going to hop in the plane and fly to Serbia, or go to Moldova, or go to Ukraine, or go to California, or Canada, it doesn't matter. Because since we're a global community here, basically you're going to get on a plane and go somewhere where you've never been before. Say Bali, Thailand, Singapore. No matter, you need to know what money they use, right? You can't go and just show up without any money. You need to know, if you don't want to have any money, you need to know what credit cards you can use. Do they have ATMs? Because you can't be stranded. So you have to take care of that. You also need to know what's the weather going to be like, because you don't want to take, shorts and a halter top and end up somewhere in Iceland where it's freezing. Okay, and it depends on what time of the year you're going. You have to do your research, you have to study, you have to know. So that's why we get to know the position, so we can know the lay of the land before we shift to it. If you're just practicing shifting, not knowing exactly where you're going to end up anywhere. So that's why we waited until day 5 to talk about shifting. Now, if you're asking, well, what the heck is shifting? Shifting is when you're moving from one position to another on the instrument, all right? And in this case, we're going to be talking about shifting to third and shifting out of third. So right now, you probably, at this point, if you're learning third position, if you're a third position newbie, then you only know first position. So we're going to talk mainly about shifting from first to third, okay? Now, when you shift, you want to make sure that your whole hand and arm and thumb and fingers work as a team, all right? We don't want the fingers to go up and the thumb hang out back, be left behind, right? We don't want the thumb to go up and have the fingers get left behind and come later, and then the arm. It looks kind of like a crazy puppet here. You want to have everybody work up as a team, as a unit, organically, okay? So that's what we need to have happen. Okay, so ideally everybody has to move together, and we're only focusing from first to third, so I'll just show you a shift from first to third. Now you know solidly where third is. You can remind yourself, okay, this is where third is. Now you may ask, okay, why are you turning around? I want you to watch my thumb, because the thumb is very key in shifting, all right? The behavior of the thumb. So shifting from first, we're going to start with the first finger, okay? We're going to do a same finger shift, which means we're just going to shift to third on one finger, okay? So we shift from B to D. Now when you first start shifting, you can practice it slow, just like I did. Okay, just to get to know where you're going and feel really comfortable there. Know the relationship between your thumb and your finger, your index finger. That's so important, okay? The relationship of your thumb and your index finger in first, and then the relationship of the thumb and index finger in third. Do make sure you're not gripping. If you grip, that creates friction and it's going to be harder to shift. So do just glide nicely like you're polishing the string and get up into third position, okay? Now when you do that, do keep your hand open. You don't want to be shifting up and have your hand like this, because then when you do play the other fingers within that new position, they are going to not know where to go. So you want them to hover above their spots while you're shifting, keeping your hand open, okay? So that's the same finger shift. Now I'm just going to briefly talk about different finger shifts. Different finger shifts is, say you're shifting from B to E, okay? So at this point, you can practice your same finger shifts with B to D, shifting up and down. You can practice with your 2, shifting up and down. Your 3, okay? And just think your note names for sure, because of shifting, it can be really easy to go into the fuzzy head moment to get a little foggy, to just practice shifting, and you're constantly hearing Diana, you know, you get like really just numb. So don't get numb, always listen to your note names and that you're truly arriving to your new pitch centered on that pitch. Okay, so those are same finger shifts. The different finger shifts is, like I said, if you're going from B to E, or say to C to G, you know, those are different finger shifts, okay? But right now, just get comfortable with your same finger shifts first, and then you can explore the different finger shifts. I have a blog post that I've written about 11 shifting tips, and I'll put that in the link below, and I also have a video that's more detailed with a shifting exercise to help you with your proper shifting mechanics. Don't forget today's the last day to post your video in the study group with the hashtag OBE Third Position Challenge. I'll see you in the group, and we'll be announcing the winner to Master Third Position with Finger Patterns book. Ciao!